Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at OctaFX. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. OctaFX is a popular social trading Forex broker that was founded in 2011, and they have won more than 40 industry awards over the years. Their trading accounts are available in over 150 countries, and more than 10 million accounts have been opened with them, with more than 1 billion trades executed. OctaFX is regulated by the Financial Services Authority, which means that they're a broker that you can trust, and their accounts have negative balance protection. By trading with OctaFX, you will have access to commission-free accounts with tight spreads and a variety of Forex pairs, CFDs, stocks, commodities and cryptocurrencies that you can trade on the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms. We recommend OctaFX for beginners and anyone who is interested in copy trading, but their accounts are suitable for all types of traders and any style of trading. OctaFX offers a user-friendly website, and you can easily find any information you need about the accounts you can open with them, the instruments they offer, and the platforms and tools that you can use by choosing an option from the menu bar. The landing page highlights some of the key features of the OctaFX mobile application, along with a few of the perks of trading with OctaFX. The homepage is minimalistic and easy to navigate, and if you scroll all the way down, you will find direct links to company information and download links for the applications. OctaFX currently offers more than 30 currency pairs, along with over a dozen popular cryptocurrencies, energies, and indices. Their accounts are also suitable for trading gold and silver, and we recommend trading with them if you are interested in trading CFDs. They offer floating spreads starting from as low as 0.6 pips, and instruments can be leveraged by up to 1 to 500 for currencies, 1 to 200 for metals, 1 to 100 for energies, 1 to 50 for indices, and 1 to 25 for cryptocurrencies. The OctaFX customer support team is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and they can be reached via email, live chat, and telephonically. You can also submit a web ticket and request a callback directly from the website, and their social media links can also be found at the bottom of the homepage. We also recommend visiting the FAQ section to see if your questions have already been answered. The FAQ section can be found by hovering your cursor over the Analysis and Education tab and clicking on the FAQ option. OctaFX offers a generous referral program that is unique in the Forex industry, and you can earn $1 for each standard lot traded by your friends, while they get a unique 100% deposit bonus. They also host contests on a regular basis, and until the 2nd of July, you can win withdrawable cash prizes by using a Champion Contest account and trading on the MetaTrader 4 platform. The trader with the highest balance at the end of the contest will win $500. However, there are also cash prizes for 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th place. If you miss this round, the next round will start on the 4th of July. In addition to the referral program and contests, OctaFX also offers a 50% deposit bonus, and you can win merch, laptops, watches, and smartphones by trading with them. Until the 13th of July, you can also stand a chance to win one of the iPhone 13 Pros by inviting your friends to OctaFX. You can also gain a massive competitive advantage with the OctaFX status program that rewards you with tighter spreads, lower trading costs, personal account managers, exclusive VIP events, and more, the higher your account status is. OctaFX's accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader trading platforms, which are available as a desktop platform, a mobile application, or as a web trader interface. MetaTrader 4 and 5 are currently ranking amongst the most popular trading platforms in the world. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005, and MetaTrader 5 was released in 2010. These platforms are renowned for their advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading support, and they can be downloaded at no cost. With MetaTrader 4, you get access to 3 types of order execution: one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, suggested trading strategies, expert advisors, and more. With MetaTrader 5, you get access to advanced platform customization, the optimized processing of expert advisors and indicators, access to smart trader tools and auto chartist, 38 built-in indicators, basic tools for graphic analysis, one-click trading, fundamental analysis, and much more. The MetaTrader platforms offer a high level of customizability and security, and are also a great option for traders who are interested in automating their strategies. Once you have created an account, you can easily join the social trading program and follow the strategies of your favorite traders. This is a great option for beginners and traders with a busy lifestyle, because you can reap the benefits of a real account without the risks of losing opportunities or making uninformed decisions. OctaFX offers a mobile trading application that can be used to easily manage your MetaTrader 4 and 5 accounts, make secure deposits and withdrawals, and also monitor account activity. In addition to all the tools that you can use on the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms, an economic calendar is also provided to help you keep track of major economic events and market activity, along with advanced trading calculators, live quotes, and auto chartist. There are 2 types of live trading accounts that you can open with OctaFX, and they also give their clients the option to use demo accounts and swap-free accounts. OctaFX's accounts can be used for hedging and scalping, and you are also allowed to use expert advisors. You can open either a MetaTrader 4 account or a MetaTrader 5 account by depositing at least $100, and both of these accounts are commission-free accounts that offer floating spreads starting as low as 0.6 pips. The MetaTrader 4 account is a beginner-friendly account that is recommended for casual traders, and if you are trading for the first time or you are looking for an account that makes it easy to start trading. If you've been trading for a while and you're interested in using expert advisors and other advanced trading tools and technology, then we recommend opening a MetaTrader 5 account instead. Muslim clients have the option of opening an Islamic swap-free account. These accounts are very similar to standard trading accounts, except that no rollover fees are charged on positions that are held open overnight. If you are new to trading, we recommend opening a demo account first so that you can learn the basics of trading and practice in a risk-free market environment using virtual currencies. When you use a demo account, it'll be just like using a real account. However, you don't need to risk losing any money until you are ready to make your first deposit. Creating an account with OctaFX may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is simple and straightforward. Firstly, launch the OctaFX homepage, and then click on the Open Account button. Next, you'll want to complete the online application form. Then, verify your account and email address. And once your account has been verified, you can log into the client portal. Within the client portal, you can manage your accounts, create demo accounts, view contests, invite a friend, and much more. After your account is set up and ready, the next step would be to download and install your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with the credentials provided. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with OctaFX. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch, and at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a variety of helpful educational resources online or over on the MetaTrader website to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. With regards to educational resources, if you are trading for the very first time, or you are looking for a broker with high-quality educational resources that you can use to refine your trading skills, OctaFX provides market insights, reliable Forex news, and technical analysis reports. There are also plenty of helpful trading guides and educational videos that you can watch to learn the basics of Forex trading, along with platform tutorials that will teach you how to use the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms and tools. They also provide quick guides on using some of the most popular trading strategies for Forex trading, and the market information section can be used to easily monitor market events, trading hours, and Forex news. Over the years, OctaFX have been in operation. They have won over 40 international industry awards since 2011, and some of their most recent awards include, in 2022, they were awarded with the Best Mobile Trading Platform, the Best Forex Broker in Nigeria, and the Best in Class for Social Copy Trading, as well as the Best Forex Copy Trading Platform in 2021, the Best Trading Conditions in Asia in 2021, and many, many more. Overall, there are many benefits to trading with OctaFX, but what we like most about them is the way they reward their clients with cash prizes, trading bonuses, and a mutually beneficial referral program. Not only is OctaFX an exceptional broker for casual traders and beginners, but they also offer an award-winning copy trading program. If you are interested, be sure to open your OctaFX account today and bring a friend along with you to claim your rewards. And if you are feeling competitive, don't forget to join the contest once you've created your account. And that is our overview of OctaFX. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.